Ababaka ku lukiiko olw'Embalirira batabukidde Minisita omubeezi ow'ebyenfuna Henry Musasizi n'omuwanika w'eggwanika lya gavumenti Ramadhan Gobi lwa kukozesa obuse buna n'okusoba mu lukujjukujju nga tebafunye lukusa lwa Paalamenti mu mbalirira y'omwaka gw'ebyensimbi 2023-2024 obuse 52 mu obuwumbi 700 bwayisibwa ate gavumenti n'esaba ennyongereza ya buse 3 n'obuwumbi 409 naye mu kuddamu okwekenneenya zaatuuka ku buse buna n'okusoba ekyatwala Embalirira ku buse 6 n'obuwumbi 207.
The members in the Ministry of Finance go ahead to spend 4 trillion without parliamentary approval. An Appropriation Act, Mr. Chairman, is law. No one can amend a law. If you have to amend the law, you have to come back to Parliament.
I don't know how we shall be looked at. We means the Parliament of Uganda. If we just sweep this under the carpet.
Omubaka wa Fort Portal Central Division, Ruhunda Alexi, achiise bubbi.
From the 3.49, then they got a total of statutory revision amounting to 4.05 trillion, far above even what we had appropriated. So what does this mean in reality?
A very, very dangerous matter, and it tantamounts to total abuse of office. And you do creative accounting saying it's statutory revision. So, because the money must go. So this money can be interpreted as stolen money.
And what I did, if you may realize, you should not crucify me for giving you information. Yes. And what I did, I advised that I think we should go to Parliament so that Parliament puts in their thinking and we see how to manage this going forward.
Ssentebe wa kakiiko era omubaka wa Kachumbala Opolot Patrick Insiaji akkaanyiza n'ababaka nti buno bukulupya.
Kitegeeza baamenya amateeka. Katugamba banoonyereze embaliriro za ssente zino tukakase ssente zaalagawa.
Minisita Musasizi yewozezzaako n'ategeeza nti kino kizze kikolebwa ku mbalirira y'eggwanga okusaba ennyongereza.
Has just started. You know, I have been in the committee for many years. You cannot say at this stage that the committee has concluded. No. Allow the committee to work. They will report to the House in May. So,
Bya Muhammad Wamala ne Eric Sebala Musoroti TV Omunyo.